It's frustrating, isn't it? You work out consistently, expecting to build strong, toned legs, yet they just won't transform no matter how hard you try. But what if I told you that you could achieve your dream legs with just 3 exercises? Would you believe me? Well, you should. In today's video, we will explore 3 game-changing exercises that can help you achieve stronger and bigger legs. I know you're eager to find out what they are, so let's dive right in. Number 1. Squats. Did you know that squats are often referred to as the king of all leg exercises? Squats are a powerhouse movement that targets almost every muscle in your lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. The reason squats are so effective is that they mimic a fundamental movement pattern, sitting down and standing up, which engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Let's talk about how to do this exercise. First, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, with your toes slightly pointed out to ensure proper knee tracking during the movement. Then, keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. Begin the movement by pushing your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Then, lower your body until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground. For a deeper squat, go as low as your mobility allows while maintaining good form. As you descend, ensure your knees track over your toes and don't cave inward. Your weight should be evenly distributed across your feet with a slight emphasis on your heels. Finally, drive your heels to return to the standing position, fully extending your hips and squeezing your glutes at the top. Number 2. Deadlifts. Believe it or not, deadlifts are another great exercise for building strong legs. The deadlift isn't just a leg exercise, it's a full body movement that primarily targets the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back, while also engaging your core, upper back, and forearms. It's one of the best exercises for building raw strength and power, making it essential for anyone serious about their fitness. Here's how to do this exercise. First, start with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward, with a barbell on the floor in front of you. Then, hinge at your hips and slightly bend your knees to grip the barbell with both hands. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, and your grip can be either overhand or mixed, one hand over and one hand under for better control. Then, engage your core, take a deep breath, and brace yourself. As you lift the bar, drive through your heels. Keep your back flat and thrust your hips forward. Then, once you're standing tall with your bar at hip level, pull your shoulders back slightly and hold the position for a moment. Finally, lower the bar back down in a controlled manner by hinging at the hips first, then bending your knees once the bar passes them. Number 3. Bulgarian split squats. The Bulgarian split squat is a game changer when it comes to building stronger, bigger legs. This exercise is a unilateral movement, meaning it works one leg at a time. This is crucial for correcting muscle imbalances and ensuring both legs develop evenly. The Bulgarian split squat is particularly effective for targeting the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, and it also challenges your balance and stability. Bulgarian split squats are excellent for building leg strength, improving balance, and enhancing overall athletic performance. They're a great complement to bilateral exercises like squats and deadlifts. Here's how to do a Bulgarian squat. First, stand a few feet in front of a bench or step with your back facing it. Next, place one foot on the bench behind you. Your front foot should be far enough forward that when you lower down, your knee stays behind your toes. Then begin the movement by bending your front knee and lowering your hips directly downward. Your back knee should drop toward the ground but doesn't need to touch it. Next, keep your torso upright and avoid leaning forward. Your front leg should be doing the majority of the work. Finally, push through the heel of your front foot to rise back to the starting position. Complete all reps on one leg before switching to the other. By consistently performing the exercises we've discussed in this video, you will not only develop stronger legs, but also achieve bigger ones. Remember to stay consistent and don't give up until you reach your leg goals. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on your notifications bell so you can get a buzz whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.